Welcome, my little children, with another episode of Nature with me. And we have a bird. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but it's a big bird on the water. He is just waiting for an alligator to come out and get him. Yep, that's why he's looking around the way he is looking around, making sure he could step on something and it's not a gator. Well, thank you, everyone, for watching Nature with me. Well. We finally got the Corillo. The Corillo got together this morning for some speaking or some bochinche. That's how they do. They come together and they gossip. This is another episode of Nature with me, Fish. Thank you, everyone, for watching Nature with me.